All right, so about this wireless charger from Mercari, I'm gonna install on my 2019 Model 3 standard range. I'm gonna put it right here. So it came with this adapter that goes into this 2 USB connector for the wireless charger. So there's 2 USB port, one for the Sentry mode, which I have one there, and the other one I'm going to use it for the wireless charging port. So this plastic piece comes off. I'm going to place this piece here and see the 2 cables. It's going to go into those 2 holes right there. So that one goes to the left side. And the other one goes to the right side. Just like that. And secure with the clips. Push down on it. Let me do that. So there it is. Plug in the adapter. And there's the wireless charging. So let's see if it works. Alright, got my wise phone here. Let's see if it charges. Yep, there it is, wireless charged.